Welcome back to Beautyistic. You know, there's something about the perfect eyeshadow that can completely transform your look with just one swipe. Today, let's talk about one of the standout single shadows in LORAC's collection, the LORAC Eyeshadow Refill Pan in the stunning shade Aurora Orange. This is a single powder eyeshadow that is ultra pigmented, designed to seamlessly fit into any of the LORAC Pro Palettes. Whether you're looking to highlight, shade, contour, or line, this shadow offers versatile options for different eye looks. But does it deliver on its promise to be that must-have addition to your beauty routine? Let's break it down. Starting with the essentials. LORAC's formula is known for its rich, velvety texture, and the Aurora Orange shade is no exception. The pigment is intense right from the first swipe, and the powder blends effortlessly on the skin. It's a soft, matte orange with a warm undertone, making it perfect for creating a bold statement or adding a subtle pop of color to your eyeshadow look. Now, how did it perform in real life? I decided to test this out in my daily routine, and I have to say, it's impressive. The color payoff is brilliant, and it applied smoothly without any patchiness. I wore it in a couple of different ways. On its own for a bold sunset-inspired eye, and blended into a gradient with other shades for a softer, more diffused look. Both ways, the product held up well throughout the day without any creasing or fading, which is a win for matte shadows in general. But I did notice a couple of things worth mentioning. While it's super pigmented, if you're not careful, you can end up with too much product on your brush, so a light hand is key. The packaging, being a refill pan, is sleek but not the most protective, so you'll want to be cautious when storing it, especially if you're popping it into a palette with other shadows. A small issue, but worth noting if you're the type to travel with your makeup. Pros: the blendability, pigmentation, and longevity are top-notch. If you love matte shades, this one is a winner. It's versatile enough to be used for both daytime looks or more dramatic evening makeup. Cons: the packaging is a bit bare bones since it's a refill, and the lack of a mirror means it's not the most travel-friendly on its own. You'll need the palette to house it, so make sure you've got the right setup for it to really shine. When it comes to value for money, I'd say LORAC is a bit on the pricier side, but it's definitely worth it if you're after high-quality, long-lasting pigmentation. You're paying for a premium formula here, and I think the performance justifies the price. However, if you're on a budget, there are other good matte eyeshadows out there, but they might not hit the same level of richness as this one. In comparison to other matte eyeshadows, especially within the same price range, this one certainly holds its own. The ultra pigmentation and smooth texture make it stand out from the crowd. Some drugstore options come close, but if you're looking for something that will last all day without touch-ups, this is a solid choice. As far as build quality goes, this one's in line with what you'd expect from LORAC. The powder is finely milled, and the texture is smooth to the touch, which ensures easy application and minimal fallout. There's no product wastage, even when using a fluffy brush to blend. I haven't personally reached out to LORAC's customer support, but the brand has a pretty good reputation for responsiveness, so I don't anticipate issues there. If you've had experience with their service, let us know in the comments below. So, should you buy it? If you're a fan of matte shadows and love the warm, bold tones for any season, the Aurora Orange shade from LORAC is a great addition to your makeup collection. It's high-performing, pigmented, and easy to use, but you'll need to have a palette to store it in. If you've used this eyeshadow or any other LORAC products, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and how you incorporate this shade into your routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in to Beautyistic. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.